Hey guys, it's Aisha here, and I am back with yet another Halloween video, my favorite. And today I am recreating my Halloween look from last year, which was a werewolf Little Red Riding Hood. So to start, I'm just going in with a very simple makeup look, and I'm using the Norina palette to do so. I didn't realize it until this year that I did not record this look, so I had to recreate it. And the fabric the fur fabric, I got it from Michael's, I believe. And I'm just going in with my favorite, just liquid latex and some tissue. As somewhat of a base. I'm then going in and applying the strips of the fur between the latex and the tissue. Just to kind of make it seem like the wolf is like coming through Little Red Riding Hood and she's turning into the wolf or the werewolf all of a sudden. Then went in and started applying like sporadic pieces of cotton balls on top of the latex as well to kind of make it look like blush or fat coming through. And I basically did the same on my chest. then I went in and started applying paint around the edges using the bruise wheel to apply some bruising. I also went in with this new Wet n Wild palette, and I found this at Walmart. This is the Wet n Wild paint palette, and I got another one as well. Apparently this is limited edition, and it is like straight up paint. I wasn't sure if it was paint or makeup, but I got it anyway. But it is paint, and it's pretty cool. They had the one I'm using in the video, then you also had the primary colors one, and there's another one I'm probably going to use in the next video. But in here I also went in with that, using the red shade from this palette. Then I also went in with some Demon Blood and some blood gel and started applying that on top of the cotton layers to make it look like an open wound. Then I went in with some vampire blood, and I just put it in a dropper so that it was easier to have the dripping effect. touches with some more blood gel and blood paste. I wanted to make it a little bit darker. And I added a contact and a little makeup around the eye to create a little bit of bruising around the eye, of course, and some fangs, good old fangs. And that is it. A pretty quick, simple, easy werewolf Little Red Riding Hood look. And like I said, I did this last year as my actual Halloween costume. It was super spur of the moment. It was just something that popped into my head. I did also add a wound on my leg as well, just to go with the effect. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.